This is Justin Pulitzer. This is a special edition video, retail gap versus professional gap. And in this video, I aim to show you how a retail gap is an exhaustion gap that is at the end of a move, whereas a professional gap starts the next leg of a move and can often change trend. So you can see that this stock, this is Workday, I'm just picking on this because it happened a couple of years ago, had been in basically an uptrend for quite some time. And it had gotten a little bit steep. It had rallied ahead of the earnings. And then you had this big body capitulation move up. All the shorts were finally squeezed out. All the media were uniformly in love with the stock. And then you had this complete fall out of bed. Now, that took out like all of this move. Now, you can usually recognize this type of a move, this parabolic type of a move, when it starts getting very steep. You can see this was just getting straight up, and you have a big body gap and go candle at the end of a range after a protracted move up. The opposite of that would be a professional gap, which could be playing out actually right now in eBay. I'm going to show you that you had this move up, a protracted move down for a while, and then a gap over, a sort of a shock and awe gap over the downtrend line, and it had continuation and it held. Usually when you see a move like this, a move over the high is at the very least a trade for a day trade higher. And you can see how that this was the, you could just see that you had this multiple days, even weeks down, and then a gap and go, and then continuation. So that's an example of one, and then there's another one that a follower of mine posted, and here it is, HBI. This is a potential professional gap. It looks like it's having some follow through. You can see it had made, it had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times almost it's touched these highs. It's had this gap and pullback, and then multiple, consolidation down, and then this is a gap and go. Look at how many days this took back, and then the next day was a pullback, held, and then closed, got over the high of the day here. So, the presumption is that this will still go higher. So that's really the difference between a professional and a retail gap, and I wanted to just show you that in a small condensed fashion. Anyhow, if you're not following me, follow me on Twitter. My handle is @JustinPulitzer. Please be sure to subscribe to this channel so that you get updates on weekend review videos, Periscope rebroadcasts, and other special edition videos like this. Anyway, thanks for watching, and cheers.